The area at the very bottom of our interface is reserved for our status bar. The status bar provides us with information about the current state of our drawing, our interface, and our mode settings. Now, if we look at the left-hand side first, I can see a series of numbers. These numbers represent coordinates, and they give me the current location of my cursor. Notice as I move my cursor, those numbers are changing. Those numbers will make more sense later when we start talking about coordinates. Moving to the right, I have several icons. Each of these icons represents a mode setting. Now, we'll discuss the functions of the mode settings later. For right now, I just want you to know that these are toggles. If I click a button once, I turn it on. Click it again, I turn it off. We can tell which modes are on and off based on their color. If a mode is blue, it's on. If it's gray, it's turned off. In the interest of synchronization, I'd like you to go through and turn off all of your mode settings. I'm going to do mine too. Let me click both of these guys, and now they're off. We also have some additional tools in our status bar. We'll talk about several of these as we progress through the title. For right now, I'm sure as a beginner you can recognize this is where we can access the pan and zoom feature. Let's talk about this icon down on the end. This guy represents our clean screen. If you're someone that works with a small monitor or who works on a laptop, if you come over and click the clean screen button, AutoCAD will turn off all of your palettes to give you as much screen real estate as possible to work. To bring the palettes back, we can come down and click the clean screen icon again. The status bar is kind of like the junk drawer of our interface. It shows us the state of our mode settings, it tells us the location of our cursor, and it's also a warehouse for frequently used tools.